Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat device ban. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, if you face this problem, there are different solutions of this issue. So the first one is to go to your App Store application, and then in the search bar you need to type Snapchat. And then you need to see if there are new updates available. If there are, you need to download the last version of this application. But if after that you still got this problem, the next way you need to do is to go to your iPhone settings. Then you need to scroll down and find Snapchat application here. And then click on that. After that, in this interface, you need to enable background app refresh. After that, if you still got this problem, the third way you need to do is to go to your browser, and then in the search bar you need to type Snapchat support. Then you need to go to help.snapchat.com, and then in this interface you need to click on My account is compromised. In this interface you need to enter I can't access my account, and then I think my account was compromised or my account is locked. Then you need to scroll down, and here you need to enter your username, email address, mobile number, and description of your problem. For example, I have a device ban on my account, please help me. And then you need to click on the gray button submit, and then Snapchat support will receive your message a few days. So after that, your problem will be fixed. And that's how to fix Snapchat device ban. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.